This is the Greenworks Optimow robotic lawnmower, a combination of Greenworks' passion for lawn care and design engineering. The Optimow 5 really is the optimum way to mow and maintain your lawn. Covering up to 550 square meters, the Optimow robotic lawnmower mows your grass little and often, cutting the grass into fine particles. These then decompose and act as a natural fertilizer, giving your lawn a healthier and greener look. The mowing schedule is easy to set. Simply use the app, set and forget. And when the battery is low, your Optimow 5 automatically returns to the charging station to charge itself. The Greenworks Optimow 5 features a simple and easy to install boundary wire for lawns up to 550 square meters in size, weather-resistant charging dock with a 5-meter power supply, boundary wire spacer to make installation as easy as possible, lightweight design for easier handling, remote control and software updates via the Greenworks user app with Bluetooth connection, dial height adjustment to tailor the texture of your lawn height underfoot, from 60mm down to a 20mm finish. Easy to install double-edged stainless steel blades for a crisp, clean cut. Rugged, durable wheels, capable of cutting on gradients of up to 30 degrees. A lifting sensor, automatically stopping the blades when it's lifted. Collision sensors, allowing your Optimow to recognise obstacles and turn away to mow elsewhere. Safety immobiliser button, should you need to stop your Optimow immediately. Exceptionally low noise for quieter cutting. And with an easy-to-program interface, simply set and forget, and let your Optimow 4 look after your lawn.